So, good morning, everybody. It's indeed a pleasure for me to be with you virtually. However, I am missing the energy, enthusiasm, and spirit of the campus. As Dr. Devdutt mentioned, every year we celebrate Inspire Day not only to inspire ourselves, not only to remain inspired, but to ensure that we can contribute to inspire others. This year, due to pandemic, lot of stress is there, crisis was there, be it economical, social, in personal lives, and that crisis has brought anxiety, depression, frustration in individual lives. In Shobit University family also, we had great losses. We lost some of our wonderful colleagues due to this pandemic, and for me, it's a personal pain that people, those who were inspiring us, those who were contributing in empowering the nation through education, they left us in between the journey. But life has to go on. My message to all Shobitians, be it our students, proud alumni, faculty members, staff members, and all other stakeholders, please ensure that whatever you are doing, it inspires others in your neighborhood. Handhold those who are in need. Support those who may be needing your good words. As our inspirer, Bhau Vijendra Kumar ji always said that it is easy to get inspired, but it is tough to inspire others. These 3 days we all celebrate not as a ritual, but as a celebration. A celebration when we showcase our talent, when we ask ourselves, what I have never shown to the world, let me show it. When we feel confident in the company of our colleagues and we say, no, there is no need to be shy, I can do it. I will also participate. So many activities we organize every year. And I am happy to see that this year also the university has decided to organize a number of activities. My compliments to all of you. But we have to ensure that the health guidelines are monitored, and whatever we are doing, we are not hurting the sentiments, emotions of others. There are new students also, those who have joined us, and we are missing them on campus. I'm sure that soon all of you will be there to make the campus what the campus has to be and always had been. Remain inspired, inspire others, celebrate. And this celebration is not only for a day, 2 or 3. This celebration should be a message for life. बाबूजी always said, जो अपने लिए जीते हैं वो पशु समान होते हैं, जो समाज के लिए जीते हैं, सबके लिए जीते हैं, वो ही मनुष्य है. तो कहीं ना कहीं इस इंस्पायर डे का एक मैसेज हम ये भी अपने आप को देना चाहते हैं कि जो भी हम कर रहे हैं, क्या हम उसमें समाज के लिए, देश के लिए, अपने आसपास के लिए कुछ कर पा रहे हैं. मुझे खुशी है कि इस पूरे 1 साल के क्राइसिस में बहुत सारे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स आगे आए, चाहे उन्होंने अपने एनजीओज बनाए, चाहे इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे उन्होंने मदद की और उन्होंने समाज की सेवा की. शोभित यूनिवर्सिटी ने भी एज क्वारंटाइन सेंटर समाज के लिए जो भी हो सकता था वो किया, चाहे वो सैनिटाइजर का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो या अवेयरनेस ड्राइव हो या साइकोलॉजिकल हेल्पलाइन हो। बहुत कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी ने किया, लेकिन और बहुत कुछ करने की आवश्यकता है। हमारे चेयरमैन डॉक्टर शोभित कुमार, उनकी तरफ से जो मैसेज मैं आज देना चाहता हूं, वो मैसेज है कि आप सिर्फ अपनी सफलता के लिए जो भी कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन इस वक्त राष्ट्र को आपकी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है। उसके लिए भी कुछ ना कुछ छोटा बड़ा जो भी आप कर सकते हैं वो करें। एंड रिमेंबर, व्हेन यू प्ले, when you participate in a competition, in a debate, whatsoever, remember you are not participating to win only. You are participating to develop a team. And Shobit University needs that team badly. Please become a team. और टीम में जो सबसे कमजोर कड़ी होती है, उसे मजबूत बनाने के लिए उसकी हैंड होल्डिंग करनी पड़ती है। हम उसे निकाल नहीं सकते। एक टीम के तौर पे हम लोग आगे बढ़े। This was a tough year for everybody, including the university, and I hope that the spirit of all of you during these 3 days will make our spirits high, and we will be in position to come back. Let us bounce back morally. Let us bounce back enthusiastically. Let the energy of all of us become a synergy for the development of your university, your country, for everybody. God bless us all. Please stay safe, play safe, and remain inspired and inspire others. Thank you very much.
वह